in cartilage regeneration, a lot of people are looking at hydrogel type scaffolds, and the reason for that is trying to make the cartilage cells give them an environment they're used to, sort of extracellular matrix type environment that's a high water content. So that's there's lots of research in that area and trying to get some mechanical properties into those hydrogels. So we've gone to a slightly different route of starting with the higher mechanical properties and then trying to get the cells to behave like they would do naturally inside it. In terms of bone regeneration, there are lots of materials on the market that are bioactive and can stimulate new bone growth, but there's nothing that's load-bearing. So there's a real need for these materials that can share load with the host bone, not just stimulate the bone growth. In skin regeneration, there's also exciting new materials that can actively promote regeneration of skin, even when the wound is classed as chronic now, that's quite a new thing as well.